GoHighLevel is a pretty powerful tool, and I've been working with myself for 4 years now. I've built a few products that integrate directly into it. So when I'm working with my clients on building those integrations, the question is not the how, the question is why. Why are we doing this? There are usually two cases. One of them is we're solving your own problem for your business. The second way is we'll make a SaaS product out of it to solve this problem for other businesses. I personally like the second one better because of leverage, of how many businesses we can serve and turn your investment into actual profit, because there's a subscription model that you can monetize on. Now, I can help you with the technical side. I can help you build a SaaS, but it's you who needs to deeply understand the target audience we're solving, the problem that we're solving them for, and what is the solution that won't disrupt their workflows, their processes. That's what we need to understand if we want to make it a success. I invite you over to my DMs to see whether we have that edge over the competition, whether we can make it work. I'll see you in my DMs.